Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Oral Health for All. My name is Tarek Omran, and I am part of the Finnish doctoral program in oral sciences. And today, I'll be talking to you guys about dental fear. So the idea is about how to manage your fear of the dentist, and we have developed a course for you. And today, we're going to actually be talking about a few courses and a few techniques that will empower you and allow you to go through these dental procedures. So, beginning off, we start with the basics, which are communication. So the first thing we need to talk about is how to communicate with your dentist. How to say that, okay, guys, I'm scared of you. And this has to be done early on. As a matter of fact, the earlier the better. If you do it right away from the call and you say, all right, I would like to book a dental appointment, and by the way, I'm really scared, then that's even better. Because that way, the dentist can plan accordingly for your treatment and for your procedure. Speaking of procedures, however, we have a lot of options nowadays. We have a lot of technology in the market, and dentists are upgrading their options that they provide the patients. So this way, we can right away opt for a treatment option that is much simpler and will be very comfortable for us. Now, interestingly though, is that we need to always understand what's going on in our mouths. You see, if I understand exactly what's going on, I can know exactly what's going to happen next. And by this understanding, the dentist would love to always take you by the hand and walk you through the procedures so that you're more comfortable. You're sitting in the chair or relaxed and you know what is about to happen. And all of that the dentist can provide in simple language. So make sure you just ask and ask and ask. Now, we need to always understand that a dental procedure is not a once-in-a-lifetime experience, but it has to be more of a relationship. You and the dental team develop it through regular checkups. You see, the more you go to a place, the more you get comfortable with it. You get comfortable with the seat, you get comfortable with your dentist, and that way you can also avoid serious problems because you're going for regular checkups. Of course, it might be not that great of an idea to go to a dentist, but it's always better to go early on using regular visits. That way you can prevent bigger problems. Now, a very interesting thing is that if you are in a dental chair, you can always stop. And how do you do that? Very simple. You need to agree with your dentist that you will have a certain sign, maybe a signal, that, okay, doctor, when I raise my hand, I would like you to stop the treatment. Maybe I would like to take some rest, or maybe it's too painful. So when you establish that understanding, the dentist will be more than happy to give you the empowerment you need to go through the whole dental procedures. All right, and now we have to understand that, of course, some of us might have a lot of fear. It might be very scary, just the idea of visiting the dentist. And because of that, there's also a lot of options for extra aid, like for example, nitrous oxide, which is a laughing gas. So it will make you laugh and it will make you a lot more relaxed. And also there are certain treatments for very anxious patients and they are in the form of pills. So when you take the pill, also it's anti-anxiety and you do relax a lot. Last but not least is that we have to understand that we need to take things slow. Dentistry should not be fast. It should be a slow procedure. And for that to happen, you need to take things in baby steps. So let's say you want to go for a visit, you don't need to do everything in one visit. You can just ask your dentist for a simple cleaning. And then later on, as your confidence grows and as your relationship with the dental team grows and becomes stronger, then you can start going for other procedures. So taking things slow can only start by the first thing we started today, which is communication. Thank you guys for listening and wish you a fantastic day. And now you have the courses to go through dental phobia or dental fear, and hope to see you soon in another episode of Oral Health for All. Thank you.